For his years of research on the mystery of the Sasquatch, this club is pleased to award to René the honorary degree of PhD, cryptozoological
Dahinden's a PhD. Thank you, Paul.
Please support this channel by subscribing and leaving comments.
Now, before I go on, again, like we've had changes in the schedule, I would like to make a brief introduction of one of our speakers for tomorrow, who will be making a presentation today. Dr. Paul Blond, an oceanographer from the UBC in Vancouver, BC. Please welcome him. He's going to make a brief presentation.
Thank you, Dan. Well, this afternoon we heard a speaker, René Dahinden, refer to PhDs a number of times. And many of us, some of us who have PhDs, remember how much we had to suffer to get the PhDs, and how long it took, and how much pain and painstaking work went into it. Getting a PhD didn't make us all wise in all fields, and we'll have to grant René his statement that indeed having a PhD is not the end of the world, and you'd be wrong even if you have a PhD. But his bringing it up so often makes me think that perhaps he has suffered enough in the right ways that he deserves one.
Oh no.
And part of getting a PhD is you have to suffer other PhDs, mainly your professors, right? So, the best thing that I could do at short notice like this is to prepare this award for him. This is not in the name of a university. This is in the name of the BC Scientific Cryptozoology Club, about which I can give you a commercial later. And I will read. René, if you'd like to stand here for the formal ceremony. So, for his great devotion to authenticity, and for his years of research, on the mystery of the Sasquatch, this club is pleased to award to René Dahinden the honorary degree of PhD, cryptozoological
Dahinden's a PhD. Thank you, Paul. That's great. That's good.
When's your first lecture?
Oh, that's beautiful. Top that, Danny.
As we move along, our next investigator. $5. So if you get 4 out of 5, that's $4. Now, I'm going to put the questions out right now. Write your answers on paper. I'm sure everyone has a paper and pen. And if you don't, well, you're out of the challenge. After Thomas Steenberg has given his talk, we have 2 more speakers, Carlos Jimenez and Thomas Steenberg. After Steenberg has given his talk, then we'll ask, you'll submit the results, help put your name on it, and whoever gets it, that's $5 for you. So,
Canadian or U.S.? Argentinian.
Canadian. Our first question is, ready? Our first question is, who coined the term abominable snowman? First question, who coined the term abominable snowman? Question number 2,
What county was the Patterson-Gimlin film made in? What county was the Patterson-Gimlin film made in? Am I going too fast? Yeah, just right to answer.
We know the
Question number 3. What year was Jacko allegedly captured? What year was Jacko allegedly captured? Question number 4. What is the nickname of the Minnesota Iceman?
Bugs.
What is the nickname of the Minnesota Iceman? Question number 5, our final question. And again, if we get 1 out of 5, well, that person will get the $1. Question number 5. What was the name of the guy who photographed the now famous Yeti track from the Menglung Glacier in the Himalayas?
Alleged Yeti track.
What was the name of the guy who photographed the now famous Yeti track from the Menglung Glacier in the Himalayas? Those are the 5 questions. Write them down on a little piece of paper. Put your name. After we are finished with our final morning session speaker, we'll get the results and we'll tell you who the winner is. Does anyone want any of the questions repeated?
Hey Larry, what is the name of the Minnesota Iceman? The same as when we talked about scientists.
I'm going to shut my camera off now before you say it.
Well, the bozos. That's right.
Our next speaker before we go on, before we end the session way more, the answer to the Bigfoot trivia questions. Number 1, who coined the term abominable snowman? Answer is Henry Newman. Question number 2, what county was the Patterson-Gimlin film made in? County is Del Norte. Question number 3, what year was Jackal allegedly captured? Answer is 1884. Question 4, what is the nickname of the Minnesota Iceman? Answer is Bozo. Question 5, what was the name of the guy who photographed the now famous Yeti track from the Menglung Glacier in the Himalayas? Answer is Eric Shipton. The winner is, he got 3 questions out of 5, and so we'll give him $5 anyway. Eric the Frog. Come up. $5 for him. He answered Del Norte, 1884, and Eric Shipton.
Give my share.
So he's our winner. A couple of comments here before.
If you're enjoying all this rare and unique content, please show your support by subscribing and leaving comments.